You see, it's just relax. These guys, their mothers is Saskia, they become used to the car since they were baby. Because we were following the mother, and we were following the mother. They became used to the car. When they were still young, sometimes they come under the car, sleep under the car, and play around the car. When you then you see like the mother's not happy, you start the engine, they run away. Because when they're still young, they don't